Go, Sam.
Up more.
You get up here.
Oh.
Drew, what is your favorite part about coming to Grandpa's house?
Choo-choo train.
Are there choo-choo trains there?
Yeah.
Okay, here it goes. Ready? And it gets a little switch here.
There it goes.
So the cabooses.
Drew, tell me what happened yesterday.
What?
What happened yesterday?
All the smoke.
The track was burning.
The track was burning. There's a big train accident, huh?
Yeah. Here, leave it right there. We'll pick it up.
Sammy, you gonna say cheese? Show me your cars. Nice. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Drew.
Are you leaving?